Barley, tomato and garlic risotto. Prepare the ingredients. Finely dice 1 onion. Finely slice 8 garlic cloves. Finely dice 10 tomatoes. Puree in a blender the other 10 tomatoes. Zest 1 lemon. Chop 1 handful of fresh parsley. Rinse 1½ cups of pearl barley under cold water. Heat a saucepan over a high heat, add ½ a cup of water. Add the onion and garlic and sauté until the water is absorbed. Add the 10 chopped tomatoes, add the tomato puree. Add ½ a teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1 teaspoon of dried chili flakes. Add 2 sprigs of fresh thyme, add the zest of 1 lemon. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, add 1½ cups of pearl barley and add 2 cups of water. Stir well and bring the mixture to the boil. Reduce the heat to very low and cook for 50 to 60 minutes or until the pearl barley is tender. Make sure to stir it from time to time to prevent from sticking. When the barley is cooked, add salt and pepper to taste. Add the juice of 1 lemon. Stir in the chopped parsley. Serve in bowls. Sprinkle with cashew nuts and parsley. Then serve.